Good morning! Okay. Welcome to the Vagabond Vacation Villa. What are you guys going to do?
Acro yoga.
Acro yoga. I just learned it 5 minutes ago, but I'm gonna do it.
You know, she's an expert maybe. He's how do you call it?
Beginner.
A noob.
Very new.
Yeah, Vagabond doesn't insure this, so it's on your own risk if you come to the vacation and do this. See you later.
Alright, see ya.
I got a bunch of towels here because we're gonna get a little wet today. We're going to the cenote. It's called Dos Ojos, Hoyos. I don't know, it means two eyes. The models are ready. Everybody's ready. See you guys over there. We're entering the cenote, as you can see, kind of a bat cave. Let's see if we can find Batman or whatever somewhere over there. Let's join us.
We're now in an unexpected location because we were planning to go to an outdoor cenote, but those seemed to close earlier, maybe because of the COVID regulation, and we ended up in this cave cenote. So this is kind of a pleasant surprise, I'd say. Beautiful blue water, and I'm gonna try some GoPro shooting. I've not really used my GoPro since I have it, so let's test it out today. Screech, screech.
Pablo over there is really going for it, really risking his gimbal and his camera. I one time had it that I was so into the shot and I forgot that my phone was in my pocket, so I was in the sea. It's like, oh, it's awesome, it's awesome. I was going deeper in the sea. A big wave hit me and then I came out and pulled out my phone that was a little wet. And I can tell you one thing, and that's phones and seawater doesn't really mingle so well. This water is pretty clear, so maybe it won't be a problem. But still, from now on I'm always very paranoid about going into the water. Got a little shoot going on here, got a little shoot going on here, got a little shoot going on there, got a little shoot going on there. Got a model now in the shoot. And then there's some people way back also. So, oh, actually I forgot these two. I think people are kind of happy with the spot. It is pretty cool. Quite a big cenote and the water is very refreshing / actually cold.
Once you're in it, it's okay. Yeah, it's just the 5 first seconds. It's kind of warm now. Everything to motivate you.
Oh my!
I'm actually washing my sneakers here because yesterday I was in the beach and I went in the sea with them, and you know, obviously it sticks to all the sand. So nice little natural laundry session for my sneakers in the clear cenote water.
Magical waters, you know, like ancient millennial Mayan waters. So every time you touch it,
Pray to not have infection.
Yeah, exactly. It's for sure not water that has like 1 million tourists per year. For sure not that.
So we just finished a shoot in the cenote, which was kind of refreshing. Now we're going to...
We have a special guest coming to the villa, glow experience. He's known for his body paint, glow in the dark kind of style. So he's coming over, I'm gonna go pick him up. And that's gonna be a little nighttime shooting extra. So see you guys at the villa.
Yeah.
Vagabond caps, not just beautiful, but also protects your skull.
All that adventure is pretty cool. You really see places. But sometimes to actually get the nicest shots, it's not that easy. Because, you know, you're watching out, not falling and slipping over the rocks, breaking your $5,000 camera. So it's kind of hard to focus on getting the best shot. So maybe for once, a normal shoot at the house could be kind of fun. So apparently this is a boa constrictor. I'm kind of tripping out with this thing in the back, so I'm gonna back off again and just let Felix shoot some video of it. Maybe a cool addition to the Vagabond Villa, a little snake. Actually, I do want to do a photo shoot once where the girl has like this big snake and it kind of maybe covers her boobs, so it's like implied nude with like nature, like an animal. That could be cool. Ah, hey, what's up guys? We're here with David from Glow Experience. And what he does is he paints the girls with paint that glows in the dark, which gives this very cool effect when you have the black lights on. I guess you can already see it on the camera now. She wanted to have pink because it's her favorite color. It's only pink. Normally he said he does multiple colors.
So excited, bro. You wanna be my model too?
It would be funny.
You could have
Make
asked
it.
before I ate this pizza and a half.
Yeah. Oh my god! The blacklight. Look at the Vagabond logo with the pink. The teeth are very fucked up.
Is yours not?
No? Ah, yours are super crazy.
Oh, that's good. That means that my teeth are more white. Buy our Vagabond toothpaste now.
Travel kit. Vagabond travel kit with toothpaste, comb, balls trimmer. all
Vagabond
you need.
condoms.
Yes.
Safety first, people.
The next model is gonna get painted. This is the before, just her in lingerie. So let's see how. All right. The end result now. And you're very colorful, which maybe I prefer it. You know, it has more punch to it. So Stephanie here is going to be next. This is her before. Do you already know what color
No,
she's
I don't
going
know.
to
I
use?
don't know. I don't
Okay.
have
So it will be a surprise for her, surprise for us. We'll see you guys when she's ready. Boom! And Stephanie is ready. It's also cool that the face is done. Makes it a little bit more tribal, you know, it's kind of like almost like an army of girls ready to take over the world. We have girl 1, 2, 3 painted and they're all over there. And now it's her turn. She's gonna get painted and then we will see you in a bit when it's done. If you don't have a smoke machine, this is the Vagabond way of creating some smoke effects.
I gotta hit.
For your next shoots, you don't need to buy a smoke machine, you just need a guy who likes vaping. Oh, or the model, if she can just vape herself. That's actually 2 in 1. Okay, the model can't vape herself, it seems, so give it back to Juan and he will have to assist that. We are not approving models to smoke, we are not forcing them. She took it herself.
All night long.
Yeah, Mickey is very good at making shapes and poses with her body. So this is gonna look really interesting because all the curves of the paint are quite, how can I say, banded curves, and then the curves of the body and the arms are like a bit more triangular, which is like a nice contrast. Great. Maybe you should get with the girls.
A band of many talents.
Yeah.
Let's do it. If this was a real band, that would actually be a success. Imagine being a DJ and this is how you come up on stage. Why didn't no DJ ever do this? JC, maybe if we're ever bored of this shit, and we want to become DJs, we'll have some act like this going on. But yeah, Reed, take away the show, man.
It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good.
Champagne on my shoulder. This is my exposure. Up that soul.
Oh, hello guys. I just became a model for the Vagabond brand. Vagabond here too. I don't know if you can see it.